आज हम आपके फर्स्ट पेपर के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। पहला पेपर है आपका मैथमेटिकल मेथड्स और ये पेपर बहुत ही सिंपल है। थोड़ा सा भी मेहनत करने पर आपको बहुत अच्छे नंबर मिल सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस पेपर के बारे में आपने बहुत कुछ पढ़ रखा है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will discuss what is the difference between matrices and determinants. You know, both are the arrangement of the elements put into row or columns. Determinants gives you numerical value, while matrices does not give you numerical value. This is the basic difference. You must keep it in your mind. Now we will discuss general properties of matrices. You know, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and so on, and how to multiply and what are the properties related to matrices. All is known to you. You have to prove something. Number one, a in bracket a multiplied in bracket bc is equal to in bracket abc multiplied by c. If a, b, c are m cross n cross p, and p cross q matrices, then you have to prove that a multiplied in bracket bc is equal to in bracket ab multiplied by c. Similarly, you have to prove that a multiplied by in bracket b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. And third, you have to prove that a into b is not equal to b into a. You have to prove all this by taking appropriate examples, simple examples having elements like 0, 1, minus 1, and so on. So in this way you can prove it very easily. Now we discuss about triangular matrices. And triangular matrices is of two types: lower triangular matrices and upper triangular matrices. This is very important while solving the case of rank of a matrix. In order to find rank of a matrix, you are required to reduce the matrix into lower form or upper form, and then you can decide what will be the matrix of rank of the matrix. So now we discuss upper triangular matrices. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called an upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 whenever I is greater than j. Here we have an example: A11 in first row, A11, A12, A13, and so on, A1n. In second row, 0, A22, A23, A2n. In third row, 0, 0, A33, and so on, A3n. And in last row, 0, 0, 0, and in last ANN. This is the example of upper triangular matrices. Now we discuss lower triangular matrices. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called a lower triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 whenever I is less than j. Okay, this is for example A11 in first row, A11 and 0, 0, 0, and so on. In second row, A21, A22, 22, 0, 0, 0, and so on. In third row, A31, A32, A33, and so on, 0. And in last row, AN1, AN2, AN3, and so on, ANN. This is the example of lower triangular matrices. and you see the basic difference between upper and lower triangular matrices by example. Now we will solve some examples. If A is equal to, in first row, 2 3 4, and in second row 1 2 3, and in third row minus 1 1 2, okay, and you have matrix B is equal to, in first row 1 3 0, and in second row minus 1 2 1, and in third row 0 0 2. So you have to show that AB is not equal to BA. It is very simple. Multiplied A by B and find its value, and then multiplied B by A and find its value, and see whether both value are equal or not. If both value are not equal, then AB is not equal to BA. It is very simple, and do yourself. And second example is that A is equal to, in first row 1 minus 2 3, and in second row 2 3 minus 1, in third row minus 3 1 2, and B is equal to, in first row 1 0 2, in second row 0 1 2, and in third row 1 2 0. Here you are also required to prove that AB is not equal to BA. Simply multiplied A by B and B by A, and check the value of AB and BA is equal or not. So you will find generally AB is not equal to BA. This is very simple. Third example is that I is equal to, in first row 1 0, in second row 0 1, and C is equal to, in first row 0 1, and in second row 0 0. You have to show that AI plus BC की power 3 is equal to A cube I plus 3A square BC. So find AI and BC and add them, and then find its cube. And next, multiply I by A cube and 3C by A square B, and add them and find its value, and check both LHS and RHS are equal or not. Third one, A is equal to, in first row 1 2 2, in second row 2 1 2, in third row 2 2 1. You have to show that A square 4 minus 4A minus 5 is equal to 0. This is very simple. Find A square and multiply 4 by A and minus 5. So find the value of A square minus 4A minus 5 is equal to 0. You will find that it is equal to 0. Next, you have to prove that, in bracket A dash and bracket के बाहर A dash is equal to A, means transpose of A dash and again transpose is equal to A. And so you have similarly you have to prove that A plus B का transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And third, you have to prove that AB का transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B is equal to B dash into A dash, that is B transpose multiplied by A transpose. You have to prove this by taking appropriate examples, and take examples having the elements 0, 1, -1 and so on as you like, and prove this. This is very simple. Transposed conjugate of a matrix. This is the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix A is called transposed conjugate of A and is denoted by A के power theta, and A के power theta is equal to A bar dash. This is equal to A dash bar. You have to prove that A theta, and again its theta is equal to A. Second one is that AB का theta is equal to B theta multiplied by A theta. You have to also prove this by taking appropriate examples. You can do. If you find any problem, then discuss me. Ask. Similarly, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be symmetric if ijth element is the same as jith element. That means Aij is equal to Aji. Similarly, a square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if ijth element is the negative of jith element of A. That means Aij is equal to minus Aji. And you should keep it into mind that the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. Okay. Now we will discuss Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be Hermitian if ijth element is equal to the conjugate complex of the jith element of A. Again, a square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be Hermitian if ijth element of A is equal to the conjugate complex of the jith element of A. That means if Aij is equal to Aji ka bar. Here we have some examples. A is equal to, in first row A, B plus IC, and in second row B minus IC, D. Next example is B is equal to, in first row 1, 2 minus 3i, 3 plus 4i. In second row 2 plus 3i, 0, 4 minus 5i. In third row 3 minus 4i, 4 plus 5i, 2. These all are the examples of Hermitian matrix. See that A12 is equal to A21 is not equal to, but it is the ijth element of A is equal to the conjugate complex of the jith element of A. B plus IC and its conjugate complex is B minus IC. Similarly, a square matrix A, Aij is said to be skew Hermitian if ijth element of A is equal to the negative of the conjugate complex of jith element of A. That means Aij is equal to minus Aji ka bar. Similarly, you should know diagonal elements of a skew Hermitian matrix must be pure imaginary or zero. This is very important. You should keep it in mind that diagonal elements of a skew Hermitian matrix must be pure imaginary or zero. For example, see that A is equal to, in first row, 0 minus 2 plus I, in second row 2 minus I and 0. Here we see that conjugate complex of negative of the conjugate complex of A12 is equal to 2 minus I. So this is the example of skew Hermitian matrix. Next is some theorem. Theorem is that if A is Hermitian matrix, then IA is skew Hermitian matrix. This is very simple example, and sometimes it is asked in your paper. Proof: if A is a Hermitian matrix, then A theta is equal to A. Then we have IA in bracket IA to power theta, and this comes out I bar A theta, and I bar is minus I A theta, minus 1 A theta, and this is your equal to minus I A theta, and this is your equal to minus in bracket I A, since A theta is equal to A. Since IA के power theta is equal to minus IA, therefore IA is skew Hermitian. This is the proof, and you have to keep in your mind only the theorem. Next theorem is, if A is a skew Hermitian matrix, then IA is Hermitian matrix. Okay. Proof is very simple. If A is a skew Hermitian matrix, then A theta will be equal to minus A. Then we have I A के power theta is equal to I A के power theta, and this is equal to minus 1 into A के power theta, and this is equal to minus I A theta, and this is equal to minus in bracket I and in bracket minus A, since A theta is equal to minus A. In skew Hermitian matrix, A theta is equal to minus A, and Hermitian matrix A theta is equal to A. So this is equal to minus in bracket minus IA, and this is your equal to IA. Since IA के power theta is equal to IA, therefore IA is a skew Hermitian matrix. Now you should know also that every real symmetric matrix is Hermitian, and A bar is symmetric or skew. A bar is Hermitian or skew Hermitian according as A is given. A is Hermitian or skew Hermitian. So this is your about general properties and rules of matrices. Next time we will discuss about determinant and inverse of a matrix. So this is all about of today class. Thank you.